football. So the first 4 boxes of Prizm Soccer, we hit 2 autos. So hopefully we can hit 2 more today. Prizm Soccer, 4 boxes. Good luck, guys. I remember from the first 4, most of them, you don't have much of any numbered stuff at all. Got a Mario Kempis World Cup stars for Argentina. Base binding. Got a duel of Nani and Schweinsteiger. All base. Got a blue prism, it looks like, for the Netherlands, or the net finder, excuse me, of Germany's Lucas Podolski. Lucas Podolski. That is for the Netherlands. That one is numbered out of 199. Oh, base, not the Netherlands. Germany, excuse me. That one is Germany out of 199. Got a X-Fractor. Oh, there you go. There's a Netherlands. X-Fractor for the Netherlands. That one is not numbered. Base. Got a Portugal team card. Base behind them. All base in that one. Got a, let's see here, got a host city of Fortaleza. All base. Got a refractor of Christian Zapata. Christian Zapata. That one is out of 99 going to Colombia. Base. Out of 99, Colombia. Got a World Cup stars of Iker Casillas for Brazil. Base. Got a refractor of Germany's Podolski. Again, the second one. Second refractor. That one not numbered either. Base. Got a refractor of Harris Seferovic. Seferovic. Refractor. That one for Switzerland. That is not numbered. Base. Cup captains of Majid Bakera. Base. Got a team card of Ecuador. Base. Got a Guardians of Japan's Ijai Kawashima for Japan. Base. Got a World Cup stars of Croatia's Luka Modric. All base. Got a cup captains of Iker Casillas. Iker Casillas. Goalkeeper for Spain. That one's not numbered. Base. Got a wave of Tybut Curtis or Cortis. That one outnumbered going to Belgium. Base. All base. Six more base. Then after this, we'll work on a couple boxes of limited football. Got Michael Essen, X-Fractor. Michael Essen for Ghana, that is not numbered. Lots of refractors and X-Fractors that are not numbered. Got a duel of Angel Di Maria and Danny Alves. Got a aerial assault of Falco for Colombia. Aerial assault. That is not numbered. Got a net finders of England's Wayne Rooney. For England, Wayne Rooney. Base. Last pack, box number 1. Got a prism of Kevin Prince Boateng. Kevin Prince Boateng. That is not numbered for Ghana. Base. Box number 2. Prism sock. Got a net finders of Lucas Podolski for Germany. It's a third one tonight. 2 refractors and a base. Got a auto going to the United States. Get a base auto going to the United States. Alexi Lawless. USA auto. There you go. Alexi Lawless. USA auto. That is not numbered. Got a Guardians of Croatia's Stipe Padelski. All base. Got a refractor of Igor Akinviv. Igor Akinviv for the Russian team. That one out of 149. Base. Got a refractor of Roberto Baggio for Italy. Roberto Baggio for Italy. It's not numbered. Base. Yeah, the World Cup stars of Eden Hazard for Belgium. Base. All base. Got all of that one in the background. Wow. All base. Got a refractor of Daniel De Rossi. Daniel De Rossi. That one not numbered out of 199 for Italy. 199 for Italy. Got a duel of Andres Iniesta and Arjen Robben. Base. Got a Suebo of Portugal's The King. First one of those I've seen. Portugal. Base. Got a refractor of Philip Lamb. Philip Lamb. Going to Germany that is not numbered. Got a Cup Captains of Dieter Drogba. Base. Base. Got a duel of Ronaldo and Mesut Ozil. Got a net finders of Bosnia's Edin Dzeko. Base. Got a Guardians of Spain's Iker Casillas. That one is not numbered. Got a wave of Fatou Daba. Not numbered for Ghana. Ghana getting a whole bunch of refractors so far. Got a Guardians of Nigeria's Vincent Enima. Goalie. Got a team card for Costa Rica. Base. Got a refractor of Alexander Dominguez. Alexander Dominguez refractor for Ecuador. Base. Excuse me. Got England's Steven Gerrard. Steven Gerrard. All base. Got a Cup Captains Roman Shirkov. Roman Shirkov for Russia. That is not numbered. Base. Got a host city of Menaeus. Base. Last pack, box number 2. Got a Walter Aovi. Walter Aovi. That one is Ecuador, not numbered. Base. Box number 3. Box 3. Got a Cup Captains of Janglai Buffin. Base. Refractor of Ezekiel Garay. That one out of 99 for Argentina. Base. Got a team card of Iran. Base. Got an auto for Uruguay. A base auto for Uruguay. Diego Forlan. Uruguay, Diego Forlan. Base auto for Uruguay. Diego Forlan. Got a World Cup stars of Xavi Hernandez for Spain. Got a net finders of Sergio Aguero for Argentina. Base. Got a net finders of a Drogba for the Ivory Coast. Base. Refractor of Steven Gerrard for England. That is not numbered. Base. Guardians of Portugal's Rui Patricio. Base. Got a World Cup stars of Philip Lamb. All base. That one out of 99 as well. Got a Iniesta and a Robin. All base. All base. Got a Alexander Corkin and Eden Hazard duel. Base. All base. All base. World Cup stars of Cafu from Brazil. World Cup stars of Thiago Silva from Brazil. Base. Got a X-Factor of a Maynard Figueroa. Maynard Figueroa. That one is for Honduras. That is not numbered. Got a wave of the Netherlands, Robin van Persie. We had a Van Persie auto the other night. Robert van Persie. That is not numbered. Base. Got another wave of Samuel Eto'o. Samuel Eto'o for Cameroon is not numbered. Base. Got a host city of Porto Alegre. Base. Base. Host city of Fortaleza. Base. Team card, Nigeria. All base. That's pack box 3. X-Fractor Raymond Amada. Raymond Amada for Iran. Base. Last pack box, or last box. Box for 4. Got a World Cup stars of a Julio Cesar for Brazil. Base. Refractor of Jermaine Jones. Jermaine Jones, refractor out of 149 for USA. Got a Spain's team card. Base. All base. Oh, that's not a bad one. Auto for Italy. So 3 autos tonight. Got Andre Pirlo, or Prelo. Autograph for Italy. It's not a bad one at all. Andre Prelo. Base auto for Italy. Got a cup captains of Darijo Serna. Base. Got a Manuel Neuer Timmy Howard. Base. Got a refractor for the USA team card. Base. Refractor of Robin Van Persie. Oh, base. That was not numbered for the Netherlands. Get a Antonio Valencia Frank Ribery. Base. Get a prizm of Spain's Xavi Hernandez. It is not numbered. Base. So then after Prism, we'll do some limited football. Base. So I think tomorrow night we got some Bowman Jumbos. Tomorrow night we should have a half case of Bowman Jumbo. Base. Got a host city of Sao Paulo. Base. Cup captains of Brian Ruiz. Base. Got a net finders of Samuel Eto'o for Cameroon. Base. Got a X-Fractor of Sergio Romero. Sergio Romero. Base. Guardians for Chile, Claudio Bravo. Base. Base. I got a Emir Spock wave. That is not numbered. Base. Got a blue. Got a wave of Hugo Lloris. Hugo Lloris for France. Base. Base. Got a Guardians of Francis Hugo Lloris. Guardian X-Fractor is not numbered. World Cup stars of Diego Florin, Uruguay, to go with your auto of him earlier. Last pack, Prizm Soccer tonight. Finish with a Hugo Campagnaro refractor for Argentina, is not numbered. All base. Finishing Prizm Soccer tonight.